Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Rachel and this channel is all about beauty. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the September Boxycharm. Make sure that you are subscribed and push that notification button down below so you are notified of every time I upload a video. And don't forget to like this video as well. So if you want to see what's in the September Boxycharm, then keep on watching. Alright everybody, hello, welcome. So this is going to be a unboxing and try on haul of Boxycharm for September. So let's go ahead and open it up. And this is what it looks like. So it does show the pamphlet that it always comes with, and this month theme is all access. So I'm assuming there's like a light, so I'm assuming just like video filming maybe. And on the back it shows everything that is in the box and the price as well. So we will put that right there. So the first thing that I see is this Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to put the box down. So this is what it looks like, and it's from Violet Voss. So it's a very nice color scheme here. With some 1, 2, 3, 4 with 5 shimmers and 1, 2, 3, 5 mattes, it looks like. And this, oh, sorry about that. And this Violet Voss retails for $29. And then I'm going to bring my phone so we can add up how much this box is worth this month. So the next thing I see is this Dr. Brandt Hydro Biotic Recovering Sleeping Mask, and this is what the packaging looks like, and this retails for $52. And we'll just take out this. So this is what it looks like. It's just a white bottle and it is 1.7 ounces. The other thing that I see are these Moda Pro 5-piece deluxe brush kit, and these retail for $27.95. And it looks like it comes with a shade brush, a crease, a detail, a smudge, and a liner brush. Let's just take these out and see what they look like as well. Oh, I'm sorry about that for the camera, guys. So gonna take these brushes out. Okay, so this is what the set looks like. They're very nice brushes, and I do use this brand already, so it's a very nice brand. The next two things that I see is the Hank & Henry Slick With It Blickity Black Long Wear Eyeliner. This is what it looks like, and this retails for $20. The next thing is this $1 Billion Brows, the Microblade Perfect Brow Pen, and this retails for $18. So the box in total is a value of $146.95. So this is what the price is. So I mean, it's well over $21 for sure. So the only thing I'm not going to use today is the sleeping mask, just because I'm not going to sleep, obvious. So I have already did my base, so I have done foundation and everything like that. So let's just go ahead and jump into the palette. And I am going to be using these brushes as well. So the first brush I'm going to take is this crease brush right here, and I'm going to be putting in Dusty Rose, which is this color right here, right into the crease. So this, I'm just raking that in right into the crease. And then I'm going to go ahead and take Cinnamon, which is this color right here, with the same brush here actually. I'm just going to start putting that right into the edge, into the crease and the edge of the eye as well. And then I'm going to take a bigger fluffy brush. It doesn't come with one, so I'm just going to be using this one from Morphe. I'm just going to kind of blend those two colors in together. Which I'm going to take a bigger brush here, also from Moda. And then going in with this brush here, which is a smudger brush, I'm going to be going in with this color here, which is Plumberry. So that is what it's looking like for now. With this little brush here, I'm going to be taking some of that cinnamon and dusty rose together and putting that right onto the lower lash line. So just like that. And then going in with the liner, let's just see how that works. So I'm not going to be doing lashes today, just so that we can see, you know, how all of these products look without having to hide it with the lashes. So let's go ahead and add eyeliner. So that is what the eyeliner looks. I really like how it went on very smoothly and didn't give me any problems. So let's go ahead and do brows. So this is what it looks like, and it has like lines in there for the brows. So let's just go ahead and see how this performs. So I mean it's, if you, I have plenty of hair, so I'm not sure how this would work like with somebody who didn't have hair. So for me, I am going to have to pass on this product, just because I feel like on the side it's doing really well, and then on the side it's like not giving any product out. So this product is going to be a fail for me. So yeah, so that is it, and I'm sorry I didn't finish my brow. I just couldn't work with that brow product any longer. So this is it for the Boxycharm, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing and try on haul. So thank you guys very much for watching. Bye guys.